and please subscribe my channel after watching this video till the end. Thank you. Ciao. Almost 300 grams Ivy Gourd, Tendli, green fenugreek, methi or methe, mint leaves, pudina, and some cilantro and scallion. Like this. Crushed garlic, crushed coriander, 1/4 teaspoon mustard seed, half teaspoon cumin seed, and 1 teaspoon sesame seed, red South chili, teaspoon turmeric, haldi, 1 teaspoon salt, pinch of asafoetida and curry masala, 1/4 teaspoon chaat masala, 10-12 bitter dates, and 1/3 cup of roasted black chickpeas, half cup grated coconut, nuts, roasted chana, grated dates, chickpeas, coconut, green nuts, mix them in a bowl, set aside, we will use it later. For the tempering tadka, I am going to use avocado oil, 2 teaspoon avocado oil. I am going to add mustard seed, right? Then crushed coriander seed, cumin, garlic, red chili, and sesame seed. Right after I am adding tendli here, Ivy Gourd, and also adding dry spices here. Mix it well. Cooking after 7-8 minutes on slow heat, I am going to add green stuff here. Then turn off heat, let it sit for 10 minutes, then it's gonna be ready for serve.